Greetings, family. Koffee's first week of sales on her debut album is out, and me tell you, the little girl, I whop them. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time, go ahead, hit that red subscribe button. Leave a comment or not say nothing. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and more happiness, ladies and gentlemen. Dance, hall, and reggae artists. Koffee, Gifted album is number 2 on the Billboard chart, ladies and gentlemen, with over 350,000 first week played and album sales of 188,000 in total. Now, while Koffee's Gifted album failed to dethrone the Reggae King Bob Marley, the legend on the Reggae Billboard chart, the Jamaican sensation has already sold over 188,000 units of her debut album in the United States. Released on March 25th via Promised Land, RCA Gifted debut on a reggae chart debut April 9 at number 2 with 3,500 equivalent album units for sales and streamed in the United States according to data provided to Deep Roots TV from the Billboard sale tracker Luminate, formerly MRC Data. Now, sales of Koffee's 10-track Gifted album were assisted by the availability of the 18-track Instant Deluxe Edition that include Koffee's UK gold-selling hit Toast, as well as Rapture and W with Gunna, which are certified silver in the UK. As such, Luminate to Deep Roots TV, The Gifted has so far sold 188,100 units in the United States. This including 700 copies that were sold during the album's first week of release, as well as 99,600 in digital song sales, 199,600, I got the number wrong again. It's 199,634,800 in demand audio stream and 92,544,400 in demand video stream, which have accumulated since 2019. Of Gifted 3,500 equivalent album sales units moves last week. There was 700 in pure album sales, 700 copies in digital song sales, 3,290,800 in on-demand audio stream, and 469,500 in download on video streams. These figures are all rounded to the nearest 100. Deluxe edition aren't a new thing in music. For many years, artists and labels have re-released albums with bonus content to exclude or to extend the life of their project, and usually to make one of the album milestones, such as 1-year anniversary or release. However, in the digital age, instant deluxe albums where songs are added to a new album on the day of or very soon after the original release are one of the ways record labels are pandering bodies to work, increasing album streams and numbering. Most streams new songs on the album are Lockdown, West Indies, Pull Up, Shine, X10, Lonely, and Gifted. It was a solo affair, with Koffee opting for no features on the 10-track set, 5 of which she co-produced. Other producers included rapper Kendrick Lamar, JAE5, JLI, Iotosh, and Dane Ray. Gifted have also debuted number 11 on the Billboard Heat Seeker album chart, which ranks the sales by new and developing music recording artists such for weekly. This is Koffee's second enter on the weekly sales and stream driven reggae album chart. Her Rapture EP, which won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2020, had debuted at number one on March 30th of 2019. The Billboard chart ranked the most popular reggae album in the US based on the consumption matrix that are measured in equivalent to album units. Each of those units represent the album sales of 10 individual tracks sold from an album or 3,750 and supported or 1,250 paid subscription streams from the album via audio or video streams. On Friday, the album made a strong debut in UK, which is opening at number 9 on UK album chart, making Koffee the first female Jamaican artist to top the top 10 of the chart. Overall, she also the first Jamaican woman on the chart in 27 years following Diana King, Tougher Than Love, which had peaked at 50 in 1995. Shaggy and Sting, 44876, was the last reggae album to enter the chart when it peaked at number 9 in 2018. Meanwhile, back on the Billboard Reggae Album chart, this week, Bob Marley and the Wailer number 1 for the 117th consecutive week with Legend, a greatest hits collection first released in May of 1984 by Island Records. Wow, it's a shame nobody can beat Bob Marley from 1984. You guarantee the compilation moved 11,300 total units from sales and streamed into US last week. Streaming into US last week include 2,900 copies in pure album sales, according to data provider to Deep Roots TV by Luminate. Earlier this year, we reported that Legend, which was certified 15 times platinum back in 2014, had sold 609,000 units total during 2021. Shaggy's Best of Shaggy, the Bombastic Collection, is a number 3 on the Billboard chart, have moved more than 2,800 units last week. Sean Paul Dutty Classic Collection 2,700 units, and Mad Love 1,000 unit, which is respectively number 4 and number 9 on the chart. Since your debut album Alpha has dropped one place to number 5 this week after moving 1,800 units last week. This brings the Blessed Singer 3-week sale total to 9,300 units after she debuted at number 2 on the chart. UB40 Greatest Hits sold 1,500 units. Compilation is number 6, following by Stick Figure World on Fire 1,500 units, and Set in Stone 1,500 unit album at number 7, 8, and 8 respectively. The Jewish American reggae singer Matishwa is debuted at number 10 on the chart this week with his 7th studio album, self-titled Matishwa. It moved 800 units from sales and stream, including 500 copy in pure album save. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to touch on the albums that were released, in this year right here. And as you see, Koffee has some real fans because they seems to buy her music. Shensia don't seems to have a lot of real fans, because for a person to have so many subscribers on her site, it's embarrassing. I heard earlier, in the week, Foota Hype was putting in his 2 cents, but it sounds like, he was bashing her, but I don't think he's really bashing her. He's saying that, he's pointing out to her that, you think, say, you're popular, or your fan base needs to wake up and support you more. And that's ditto across the entire reggae industry, ladies and gentlemen. It is just unfortunate. it's unfortunate. You know, it appears that she's slipping because nobody's really buying her music. So I just wanted to big up all of the people that are putting in the work. You are going to all the people them that's doing their thing. Like producer of Dancehall Foot Hype was talking about Cheng Yang Alpha album, saying that there was an embarrassing. And the evidence showed that 5.3 million Instagram followers are not genuine. So I want you to forgive me on a comment on, you know, how Koffee is doing, what's really going on in the industry. If I buy out, if I get buy out, I don't understand how PR sales them a move. So if some, you know, purposeful thing. So leave your comment, family and friends. You know, it's Rastafari Soldier. Go ahead and hit that rich subscribe button again. If you have not subscribed, make sure it's grayed out. Hit the bell, the notification, so you can get my content when I put it out. Share it up, leave a comment, agitate the algorithms. You know, that's the Far Right Soldier. Billboard TV. Free Youths TV. More life, more joy, more happiness, family.